Today on Discoveries Indonesia, we're going to explore one of the hidden gems of Semarang. And I'll learn the inspiring story of a community who, by picking up a paintbrush, transformed their village into a vibrant landmark. Welcome to the Rainbow Village.
We were in a city called Semarang. It's very bustling, it's very busy, there are a lot of cars, a lot of traffic, and our insider Jamal said that there was this really interesting place called the Rainbow Village, and I was very intrigued. I'm like, what is this all about? It's located in just any other street, it's very nondescript, but then as soon as you walk in, it's like, bam. I'm walking across the bridge and there's immediately so much colour. It's just this huge, colourful village that is just in the middle of this massive city. I was keen to understand why this place was put together and how it came to be. So I ended up meeting this high school principal called Nomads, and he was one of the main people behind this idea of transforming their slum into a rainbow village.
Latar belakang bahwa kampung ini adalah sebuah kampung yang kumuh. Ketika proses perjalanan itu, kami melihat bahwa di pasar bunga itu ada proses pembangunan di pemerintah Kota Semarang terkait dengan revitalisasi pasar bunga. Saya punya anggapan atau bayangan jika ini sudah jadi, pasti kampung saya akan terlihat kumuh dari bawah. Sehingga kami perlu ide untuk bisa mewarnai rumah-rumah yang menghadap ke barat supaya terlihat indah, begitu. Maka Kampung Pelangi yang awalnya Wonosari, jadikanlah namanya Kampung Pelangi. Oleh pemerintah Kota Semarang dijadikan kampung, salah satunya adalah kampung destinasi wisata di Kota Semarang.
I also spoke with a local named Herdiono and asked him how the transformation had affected him and his family.
Ya, sangat berterima kasih sekali dengan adanya Kampung Pelangi ini. Setelah diresmikan, ini kan kita dulunya kan kaum marginal ya, kaum pinggiran. Jadi mungkin dari pendapatan kita ada pendatang atau tamu, kita jualan, kita juga laku. Sedikit banyak kita harkat dan martabatnya kita terangkat.
The villagers have actually asked me to paint one of their houses, which I think is fantastic, and I hope I can do a good job.
Good work! It's a really inspiring story, which is why I think travellers want to come and visit the place. And this is where technology, again, plays a really good part, because Instagram has been really good in popularising this place for travellers to come through and have a look.
And it really just speaks to the ingenuity of the people that live here. It's really helped the locals here in establishing their business. It's really raised the atmosphere and provided a really wonderful place for children to really grow up as well. So it's great.